Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin.
Do you have a mobile phone? Yes, I have a mobile phone. I use it every day. When did you get your first phone? I got my first phone when I was a teenager. I was very excited. What do you use your phone for? I use it for calling, studying, and watching videos. It is very useful. How many hours do you spend on your phone every day? I spend 2 or 3 hours daily. I try not to use it too much. Do you play games on your phone? Yes, sometimes I play games for fun. It helps me relax. Do you use your phone for online classes? Yes, I attend classes online. It is easy and comfortable. Which apps do you use the most? I use WhatsApp, YouTube, and Instagram the most. They help me stay connected. Do you keep your phone on silent in class? Yes, I always keep it silent. It is respectful. Do you like taking photos with your phone? Yes, I love taking photos. I capture memories. Do you think phones are helpful or harmful? They are helpful if used wisely. Too much use can be harmful.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.